Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how we can draw a spanner in Autocad 2D. So without further delay, let's start to draw this particular drawing. Now if you don't have the dimensions, you can simply take a screenshot of the same and you can practice alongside me. So in order to draw a spanner, the first command that we are going to take is circle command. So select circle using center and diameter and specify starting point as origin. Now zoom in a little bit and provide a diameter of 32 millimeters. Now once you are done with this, select a line, start this line from origin, then draw it at an angle of 17 degree to give some inclination, and draw it till any point, and like this, and we are done. After that, the next thing that we need to do is we need to draw the inner portion. So before that, for drawing that inner portion, we will select a line starting from origin, then we will go 2 units downwards. So just use @2 and specify angle as minus 90 degree, and after that we will go 6 units on the left side. So @6 and move it at an angle of 180 degree and press enter. So press escape. Now this is the center of an inner circle of 13 radius that we are going to use for that we will trim later on. So using center and radius, specify this point as the center and specify radius as 13 units, and we are done. Now after that, the next thing that we need to do is we are going to create offset of 8.5 units on both sides of this line. So 8.5 on this and 8.5 on this, and it's done. Now use trim command and trim all the lines that we don't need, this object, then trim this object, this line, then these lines also we don't need, and we will get a spanner head, and it's done. So we have drawn one side of the spanner. The next thing is we are going to select a line, start this line from the origin or the center point, and go till a length of 110 units. So 110 at an angle of 0 degree, and we are done. Later on, from the same center, we are going to create a circle using we can use diameter or radius, whatever we want. So center and diameter, and specify diameter as 29 units, and it's done. After that, we'll use the same line command to draw at an angle of 17 degree. Now just take a look, I have specified angle only, so I have not specified the length. It's done. Repeat line, start it from this point and go till the end point, so that we don't need to find out the point again and again. Now from here as well, we are going to select line. We are going to start from this point, and we will be going 2 units at an angle of 90 degree, and then 6 units at an angle of 0 degree, and we will get the center for inner circle. Now inner circle we are going to create of radius 9. So center point will be this one, and radius is 9. Press enter. So just take a look, we have drawn this circle as well. Now we are going to use offset command. This time the offset distance is 6.5 because it's going to be used for a smaller bolt. So press enter, use trim command and remove all the non-necessary items. So this is it. We are going to remove these sections as well. Now the next thing that we need to create is we are going to create an offset for this line so that we can draw the central body of this spanner. Now offset that we are going to create will be of 5.5 unit on both sides. So select offset distance as 5.5, press enter, click on this line, click on this side as well as on this side. Now from here as well we are going to use trim command to remove all the unnecessary items from here. Now as usual, I think you guys might be aware about it. We are going to remove this central line, and we are going to create fillet on all sides. So fillet of radius 23 on fillet radius 23, first object and second object. Now we have lost this particular circle, so just extend it, click on this circle and we are done. Enter. Repeat fillet for the same purpose. So select fillet radius of 23 again, this and this. Again we have lost the circle, so extend it on this side, again extend it. So the spanner is complete. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to spanner right side of the spanner is complete, so we are going to cover on the left side of the spanner. So let me provide a fillet radius on this side as well. So fillet. Now this time radius I'm going to specify as 47, press enter. This is the first object, this is the second object. Extend the circle on this side, okay, hold on for a moment. Okay, so we have extended it again. The next thing is use fillet of radius 47, again enter. Fillet radius 47, enter, first object and second object, and extend for this one. And this is the spanner that we wanted to create. Now in order to provide a brand name, or in order to provide branding on this one, we can provide a portion, a rectangular portion in between as well, or we can provide in general, if you will take a look at spanner, you will see that branding is written on this side, this particular portion. So you are going to use a rectangle command, and you can use a fillet of specific thickness. Suppose that I'm using a fillet of 3 units, press enter. Then we can specify any corner point, and we can basically place this particular option like this. So after placing all the dimensions and increasing the line weight from this particular option, this is how your drawing will look like. So I hope you guys have learned something new, and that's all for today. Thank you very much and have a nice day.